Number 7. Now, the 7th place is taken by a novel series with more than 43 million copies sold worldwide, which is the Twilight Saga. Twilight Saga is a series of 4 vampire-themed fantasy romance novels. The 4 books chart the later teen years of Isabel Bella Swan, a girl who moves to Forks, Washington, and falls in love with a 104-year-old vampire named Edward Cullen. Interesting, but scary at the same time. The author is Stephen Meyer. Publishers are Little, Brown and Company. Published date was from 2005 to 2008. Its genre is young adult, fantasy and romance. It reached number 5 on the New York Times bestseller list within a month of its release and eventually reached the first place. The novel was named one of the Publishers Weekly's best children's books of 2005. Number 6 is The Da Vinci Code, and honestly, I have never heard about this book before. But 6th in the list with more than 57 million copies sold. The Da Vinci Code is a mystery thriller novel. It follows symbologist Robert Langdon and cryptologist Sophie Neveu after a murder in the Louvre Museum in Paris caused them to become involved in a battle between the Priory of Sion and Opus Dei over the possibility of Jesus Christ and Mary Magdalene having had a child together. The author is Dan Brown. Publishers are Doubleday Transworld and Bantam Books. Publication date was on April 2003. Its genre is mystery, detective fiction, conspiracy fiction and thriller. The novel no doubt became a massive worldwide bestseller as of 2009 and has been translated into 44 languages. Now I have to read this book. Alchemist takes the 5th place with more than 65 million copies sold. The Alchemist, original title O Alquimista, is a Brazilian novel, originally written in Portuguese. In Portuguese? Okay, never mind. It became a widely translated international bestseller. It is about the alchemist who follows a young Andalusian shepherd in his journey to the pyramids of Egypt, after having a recurring dream of finding a treasure there. Interesting? Isn't it interesting? The author is Paulo Coelho. Publisher is Harper Torch. Publication date was on 1988 and the genre is quest, adventure and fantasy. The book has been translated to more than 70 languages other than English. Its theme, as regarded by people, is about finding one's destiny or purpose in life. Inspiring to Number 4. Now comes the one with its place in the most watched movies of all time too. The Lord of the Rings with 103 million copies sold worldwide. Popular one? Lord of the Rings is a film series of 3 epic films. It is about a young hobbit Frodo who has found the one ring that belongs to the Dark Lord Sauron, begins his journey with 8 companions to Mount Doom, the only place where it can be destroyed. The author of the book is J.R.R. Tolkien. Publishers are Allen and Unwin. The published date of the first part, that is The Fellowship of the Ring, was on 29 July 1954. Second part, The Two Towers, was on 11 November 1954. And the third part, The Return of the King, was on 20 October 1955. Its genre is fantasy and adventure. The Lord of the Rings 26th on its list of the 100 greatest British novels. Do you guys know that the third place is taken by something magical, which is Harry Potter with 400 million copies sold. Since the release of the first novel, Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone, all the 7 books have found immense popularity, critical acclaim and commercial success worldwide. The main story arc concerns Harry's struggle against Lord Voldemort, a dark wizard who intends to become immortal. The author of the series is J.K. Rowling. Publishers are Bloomsbury Publishing and Pottermore. Published date was from 26 June 1997 to 21 July 2007. Its genre is fantasy, drama, mystery and thriller. It has been translated into 80 languages and in films one of the highest grossing media franchise of all time. I wanna give a clap because it's more than praiseworthy. Number 2 is Quotations from Mao Tse-tung. It is the second most read book in the world with more than 820 million copies sold. It is a book of statements from speeches and writings by Mao Zedong, the former chairman of the Communist Party of China, published from 1964 to about 1976 and widely distributed during the Cultural Revolution. The author of the book is Mao Zedong and Ho Bo. The publisher is People's Liberation Army Daily. The publication date was on January 1964. Language it is written on is Chinese and the genre is political philosophy. The most popular versions were printed in small sizes that could be easily carried and were bound in bright red covers, becoming commonly known internationally as the Little Red Book. Nice one. Number 1 is most surprisingly in today's world is the Holy Bible. The Bible is on the top of our list as it has outsold any other book worldwide, with a whopping 3.9 billion copies sold over the last 50 years. It has set the Guinness World Records for the title of best-selling book of all time. Really? Amazing. The Bible is a collection of sacred texts or scriptures. The Bible is generally considered to be a product of divine inspiration and a record of the relationship between God and humans by Christians, Jews, Samaritans, and others. The Hebrew Bible overlaps with the Greek Septuagint and the Christian Old Testament. The Christian New Testament is a collection of writings by early Christians believed to be mostly Jewish disciples of Christ. The Bible has had a massive influence on literature and history as well.